Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to be talking about Lordstown Motor. Why Lordstown Motor? Because it's an awesome company with 3 reasons why to buy Lordstown Motor. That's probably why I'm going to title the video. I'm going to play a little bit of this video. This came out on the weekend. I'm just going to let the CEO talk about his company a little bit, and then I'll talk about my 3 reasons why you should buy some Lordstown Motor stock.
You know, when you're started in a company like we are, and you really want to disrupt something as old as the 95-year-old pickup truck market, you got to really have in your gut that it's the right end game. And the reason that we know, to your question, why in 5 or 10 years everything's electric, because when you look at a conventional, in our case, conventional internal combustion pickup truck, its drivetrain has north of 2,000 moving parts, right? Every moving part wears, every moving part robs efficiency. And as such, you get 15, 16, 17 miles per gallon in a pickup truck. We have 4 moving parts. These hub motors, the wheels are the only moving parts. So think of the simplicity of 2,000 versus 4. And as a result, we get the equivalent of 75 miles per gallon. So in your heart of heart, or in your gut, you know that it's the end game. So to your question, yes, everything will be electric.
Yes, the CEO of Lordstown believe that everything will be electric. So yes, we are living in an electric world, and Diamond Peak Holdings is the company that they're supposed to merge with. I think the biggest reason why big money hasn't pumped up Lordstown Motor stock, Diamond Peak Holdings, is because of this. I phoned them. They never phoned me back. I emailed both Lordstown and Diamond Peak Holdings about this article, this investigation, and they both haven't emailed me back. Obviously, they cannot talk about anything regarding the merger simply because they don't want to interfere with the merger. And I honestly think that this notice of important shareholder investigation update is to prevent Diamond Peak Holdings stock from skyrocketing, because short sellers don't want workhorse stock to skyrocket. So, you know, this is just my opinion, and this is the reason why this is out there. I could be totally wrong, and there could be something fundamentally wrong. I mean, Lordstown has done a lot of research on multiple different SPAC plays, and they chose Diamond Peak Holdings. So I don't think they're going to not merge with Diamond Peak. I think Diamond Peak does really want to merge with Lordstown, because Lordstown's going to be a winner. And I really think Lordstown, the company itself, will be a winner. And I think Diamond Peak Holdings will do anything in their power to merge with Lordstown. And if we look at the institutional, it's 62.18%. So there's quite a bit of institutional already in Diamond Peak Holdings. So I think that, you know, once the merger is official, once we get the documents for the merger, I think this stock can take off to $30. Just similar to Shell. So yeah. So reason number 1 is this facility. They bought this facility for $20 million. It has robots. It has like all the equipment you need to do, all the equipment you need to build cars, and they paid $20 million for it. That's reason number 1. You know, $20 million for it. And also, I guess this is also part of reason number 1 is GM is also helping them with them, because they are invested. They've gave them $75 million of investment money. On top of that, this is a GM facility, so GM is going to help. Since GM is an investor, GM is also going to help them optimize the facility so they can manufacture a lot of cars very fast. Reason number 2 is Taurus Acquisition Corp. If I compare Taurus Acquisition Corp to Lordstown Motor, I would be way more bullish on Lordstown because I think Lordstown will generate more revenue than Taurus Acquisition Corp in the future. If you compare, like right now, Taurus and Lordstown, they probably don't generate any money, but Taurus will generate some in 2021. But same with Lordstown. Lordstown is starting, it will be moving their trucks out of assembly in 2021 and start taking deliveries. So they will be generating the same amount of revenue and profits in the same timeline as Taurus. And Taurus is valued at $27.44. So I think that Lordstown could easily be a $30 stock. So that's the reason number 2. It can. I'm not pumping or dumping it. I'm just saying that that's what I truly believe. I just think that right now the stock is under pressure because of this investigation. But that also gives retail investors the chance to gamble on the fact that the merger will happen and that they can benefit on the rise in stock price. But Shell, I mean, yeah, Shell you can make money on it, but the upside is very limited. I mean, if Diamond Peaks went to $30, you almost doubled your money or tripled your money. Taurus Acquisition, if you buy it here, in order for you to double your money, you have to gamble that the stock will go to $50 plus, $54 or $54 in order for you to double your money, and that's quite a bit of money. So I mean, yeah, I just don't see that happening. I mean, could it go up there? Yeah, I could, but I honestly think Diamond Peaks was worth the risk because it's at the bottom. And the worst case scenario that this stock plummets back to $10. If the acquisition doesn't go through, this thing goes back to $10. So your downside is very limited. Taurus Acquisition could also plummet back down to $10. If the acquisition doesn't go through, the stock could plummet down to $10 again. Will it? I don't know at the end of the day. And if Diamond Peak Holdings had some call options, I'd totally load up on some call options. I do have stock, but I'm hoping for call options for Diamond Peak Holdings in the near future soon. I'm hoping. I don't know if that'll happen. Neo stock. And then, sorry, sidetrack. Third reason is the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck has over 500,000 pre-orders, or even more than that. Elon Musk doesn't really update shareholders about the Cybertruck, and I think Lordstown is going to be producing more. They're going to be coming out with the electric truck before Tesla, before Rivian. I think Lordstown is going to be the first company to launch an electric truck before all these other companies. At least that's what I believe. I could totally be wrong, and Rivian could beat them to the market. I know Tesla won't beat them to the market because Lordstown plans to release some cars in 2021 as, for consumer sales. And then if we look at this is like, I guess, kind of a fourth reason. If we look at the technicals, it's saying that it's still a buy. Moving average is strong buy, summary is a buy. I guess the oscillator is saying it's a sell. So I don't know what the stock price will do, but the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. But it's broken its 52-week high, and right now it is in blue skies. So technically it looks strong. So I think it's just a matter of time. I could be wrong. This is pure speculation on my part, but I think that the stock price will blast off in the near future. But if it collapses, right? If it goes back to like $12, that's a no-brainer opportunity right there. I mean, it could the merger could fail and the stock could go back down to $10. That is the risk you are taking buying into the stock. But there's the same risk with Taurus Acquisition Corp. The merger might not go through and the stock could plummet down to $10. So, less riskier than Taurus Acquisition. So what? Diamond Peaks is less riskier, more reward than Taurus Acquisition Corp. So, yeah, that's why I'm so bullish on Diamond Peaks Holding. That's why I'm not chasing Taurus acquisition. I'm bullish on Taurus acquisition, but I'm way more bullish on Diamond Peak Holdings. Workhorse, yeah, like the reason why I think they're suppressing the Lordstown Motor stock price from going crazy is because of Workhorse. If Taurus acquisition, if Diamond Peak Holdings went to $30, that would push Workhorse stock up dramatically because they own 10% of Diamond Peak Holdings on a non-dilutive basis. So yeah, that's a lot of money. Neo. I don't know. It was up today 7%, which is nice. Barrick's Gold Corporation today $3.14, up 11.63%. I'm making money on my Barrick's Gold. Feels good. I don't know why I have MedMen up here anyways, but I do. Planet 13, I have Planet 13 up here today. Woo, look at that. Planet 13 pulled back and money just pumped it up again. So looks like there's a lot of support for Planet 13 to keep going higher. Yeah, not too much to say about that. No, I guess Liberal Health Science, 55 cents? 55 cents closed today. Green Thumb Industries. I guess I still had the same tabs open. Green Thumb Industries down a little bit today. Shell was a nice day for today, up 12.23% after hours, pulling back a little bit. Electromass Solar Corporation had a nice day today, up 9.16%, 25 cents. After hours is pulling back 5 cents. Plug Power is down 5 cents. Neo Lithium Corp is up 8 cents. Nvidia is just so crazy. Like, I know for a fact that retail investors not like, oh, I'm gonna push this up, $10-20 billion. No. There's some big money involved in this kind of push to the upside. Big money. But it's not retail investors at all. The retail investors in this is probably 0.001% of the actual investment is retail. The rest is all from billionaires and hedge funds and institutional investors in China, and just big money involved in Nvidia's big push to the upside. Come on, Nvidia is $3.3 billion. That's insane. And it's supposed to go even higher. That's just retarded, in my opinion. AMD, I think, should be pushed up to the upside more because AMD is in both the CPU and GPU market, and they're supposed to be competing with Nvidia this fall. And AMD, if Nvidia is worth $300 billion, I think AMD should be worth $150 billion. That's just my opinion. Intel is very undervalued, but doesn't matter if it's undervalued. Big money ultimately dictates where the stock price will go. It's the same story of Micron Technology. Micron is very undervalued, and it's probably going to head down lower. Why? Because big money doesn't want to pump it. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. The SPY is, volatile today. Still hasn't broken the 52-week high yet, and blue sky breakout, not yet, but very, very close. Canadian Nickel Company today, trading sideways. Lithium American Corporation. This thing just keeps heading higher and higher and higher and higher. It's insane. Look at that. It's almost broken its 52-week high in 2018. Neo Lithium Corp is an opportunity, in my opinion. They are a profitable company. They make lithium, and they have a partnership with Bank of America to start up a brand new mine. So yeah, I'm very bullish on this company, especially with a market cap of $88 million, and Lithium American Corp has a way higher market cap. I think it's like $805 million. Lithium American Corporation is 9 times bigger than Neo Lithium Corporation. That's insane. Italian Metal Corporation today trading sideways. Oxley, oh man, I was looking at this. I bought some stock of this, just letting you know. I was gonna make a video about it, but I didn't. Very good food company today, down 4 cents. The lower it goes, the better. Canopy Growth is trading sideways today. Let's look at some other stocks. ACB down today, 59 cents. APHA today up 6 cents. Kron is trading sideways. I think this is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.